Yo, YouTube,
What's the
word? Hey man, Warwick in the building. Hey, y'all this nigga in the building, nigga. Look, before this shit start, cause I just gotta let y'all. Nah, nigga, I gotta just thank y'all niggas for 1K. We finally hit 1 fucking K, so I appreciate y'all boys. You feel me? Hey, the grind don't stop, nigga. We just getting started. You hear me? Hey, shout out my dog Brian, my dog Danny, shit Jada. Hey, I got some real ass niggas. I ain't gonna lie, but shit, nigga, we just getting started, nigga. On my mama, yeah, word.
Man, shit ain't got serious.
fuck my dick, nigga?
Hold on, just hide down for the question. Good question, bro. Good question. How you think a nigga gonna pull a bitch without talking? Yeah, bro. Without talking. What the fuck? You know you hit him with the... I need somebody to record for me. I'm trying to pull a bitch without talking. Try to pull a bitch without talking. Yo, nobody has pulled a bitch without talking. So let me help you. So boom. That's cool.
Hey, bro, so P gang, I ain't had a mic ready, so y'all really can hear what was going on, or what she saying and shit. I'm just tell you what happened. I found me the one, so I call her down. I say, yo, slide right quick. Without talking, cause with ad-libs. Then she pop out. It's like, word. I look her up and down, I'm like, oh, I like what I see. I try to talk with ad-libs and shit. She said, why can't you talk? I'm like, duh, nigga. You feel me? I'm out here trying to rizz up. Unspoken rizz. Lil shorty is lost as hell right here. Like, she don't know what's going on. So I'm trying to see her hands so I could show her what the fuck I'm trying to get into. You feel me? That bitch was lost. Yeah, and that's when I was like, yo, you see these niggas trying to cop block and shit, yelling like, I hate my fucking school back. Right here, I'm trying to get her to add me on the snap. And she peeping me. Look, she looking at me up and down and shit. Look, hold on. She cheesing this shit. She was like, you want me to add you on the snap? Like, yeah. She was like, okay. I'm ass stupid. I started throwing up gang signs. Look, you see, I see how she was just looking at me. She was like, hold on. Should I get this nigga the snap? Yeah, nigga, I got the fucking snap, nigga. Fucking tab, man, nigga. W Riz, nigga. Unspoken Riz, nigga. But the craziest shit is, as soon as I was about to add myself, her phone died. Oh my god. Oh my fucking. Oh my god. I just did all that shit for no reason. Oh my god.
Oh shit. I got Yo, I'm here with niggas be saying you here with Lee. Nigga, we in the snow. Y'all better light this shit up, nigga.
Y'all better light this shit up. Where are my moms? Y'all can all suck my dick too. With your mom's lips. Am I right?
Yeah, and my ass is MMO.BLE1. Stop playing with me.
I know. So that's the nigga that won't walk inside the boys' bathroom. Fuck Warwick. She wouldn't. No. She never wanted to run down in second. Like, what the fuck is she not going inside?
Go up to you get down.
Yo, can I get your snap?
Facts.
Hey, yo.
Okay.
You like this?
Yeah.
You look good like this?
Yeah.
Maybe 4 out of 10.
I can't do that. Because you're recording.
Ain't no wrong.
8.
8?
Yeah.
So, is an 8 good enough to use boyfriend?
I don't do boyfriends. No, I don't do boyfriends.
After this, I'm going to text you.
Okay.
I said, bye.
said what?
My brakes don't work.
Your brakes don't work.
So
Yo, I'm fearing for my life right now, cuz.
I'm a good driver though.
So her brakes just don't work. So if you die, it's not
my fault.
No. Yo, cuz. If I don't make it and this vid don't drop, you already know why.
He said if this vid don't drop, y'all already know.
Oh, of course we missed. Now we have to wait for all those fucking buses.
So let's to the vlog so you can see who it is. She probably gonna be the one that kills me, you feel me? So
Yes.
yeah.
I'm gonna be smoking this split funky girl, bro.
She swears she could roll up though. You don't got it.
Day 2.
What you got going on, man? What are you doing? Try it, bro.
What's wrong with my hair, bro?
That shit off, bro.
I'm about to flip y'all.
Take that shit off, bro.
Bro, what's wrong with the braids? Y'all niggas laughing. No, cause
It's your man.
Nigga said, oh.
Cause I get my hair done and y'all niggas doing all that.
He said, who wants smoke with me? Can you hear his thing?
That nigga just killing me. Hold on. He said, who wants smoke his face?
Hands on. Let me see your hands on. Let me see your hands on, guys. Let me see your hands on.
My shit actually.
Okay, let me see your shit. Let me see your shit.
That shit, bro.
Oh, what? Let me see.
That black ass nigga.
No, I'm not that. You big as shit. Shut up.
Nigga blended with his shirt. Like.
You scared to get your hat off. Shut up.
Oh, niggas is killing me. Niggas is.
Nah, that's shit.
Niggas is fool. Niggas is.
What y'all doing?
This fat nigga play too much, bro.
Sorry ass nigga.
I'll
Oh, kiss you, nigga.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Right.
See that you doing this, you emasculating this niggas. You need to stop, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. To you, nigga. To you.
Ladies, hit my mind.
What's your line? What's your
Beep, 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 beep.
at bbc.com and my son up. What?
OS.
Hey, bro, tell the niggas to subscribe to my OnlyFans.
Yo, Glock really got some big ass ears.
Nah, your shit big
Big
as
ears
hell.
for more bitches than you know.
This nigga's stupid.
Oh, hello. What's good? Kimberly? Kimberly? Hi.
You're the big, right? Because you know my friend Marty checks for his snap.
Oh, that's
Yeah, that's me. Oh, I remember.
She want me. She want me. She want me.
I'm an old friend, yeah. You know me. Are you fucking me? And then you get your friends. You know your friends. Is that him? Is that your friend? That was my friend. That was you.
Hey, my nigga cute. Hey, my nigga cute. My nigga cute. He cute.
I mean, I'm sorry.
How you doing?
Why you got your hood on? You look mad like
He said what?
Oh, that's my we gotta go say hi to Heaven. Alright, I'm gonna be right back. You better stay right here. Stay right here. Alright, give me
That's all the YouTube fans.
Bye. Have a great time.